Join me as I take on the challenge of eating avocados every day for a week and see if they really can change my life. Incorporating avocados into your diet can lead to significant lifestyle changes in just 1 week. And I'm excited to share with you exactly how this superfood can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. We've all been there, stuck in a rut, feeling sluggish, and struggling to make healthy choices. For many of us, mealtime can be a real challenge. We're either skipping meals, opting for unhealthy snacks, or making poor food choices that leave us feeling bloated and lacking energy. And on top of that, we're often dealing with a lack of essential nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. But here's the thing, it's not just about willpower or motivation. Sometimes all it takes is making one small change to our daily routine to see significant results. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can start to notice some pretty amazing benefits. And I'm not just talking about weight loss or improved digestion, although those are definitely two of the most significant advantages. One of the biggest mistakes we make when it comes to our diet is not listening to our bodies. We're so focused on following fad diets or restrictive meal plans that we forget to tune in to what our bodies are really craving. And that's where avocados come in. They're the perfect addition to a healthy diet because they're packed with nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats that can help regulate our appetite and energy levels. I know from personal experience that adding avocados to my diet has made a huge difference in the way I feel. My skin is clearer, my energy levels are higher, and I no longer get those pesky mid-afternoon cravings for unhealthy snacks. And the best part? It's so easy to incorporate them into my daily routine, whether it's adding them to my breakfast toast, blending them into a smoothie, or using them as a creamy topping for my favorite salad. One of the most significant benefits of adding avocados to your diet is the impact they can have on your weight management. Because they're high in fiber and healthy fats, they can help keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks. And when it comes to heart health, avocados are a powerful tool in reducing inflammation and improving overall cardiovascular function. But perhaps one of the most important benefits of avocados is their ability to improve digestion. Because they're rich in fiber, they can help regulate bowel movements, reduce bloating, and even alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. And let me tell you, after a week of eating avocados every day, I can honestly say that my digestion has never been better. So, what can you expect to see after just 1 week of adding avocados to your meals? For starters, you can expect to have more energy, better digestion, and a significant reduction in bloating and inflammation. You may even notice that your skin is looking clearer and more radiant, and your mood has improved. And the best part, these changes are not just physical. You'll also notice a shift in your mindset and attitude towards food and health. After a week of eating avocados every day, I can honestly say that I feel like a new person. I have more energy, I'm making healthier choices, and I feel more confident in my ability to take care of my body. And it's not just about the physical benefits, it's about the mental shift that occurs when you start making healthy choices. Incorporating avocados into your diet is literally one of the simplest changes you can make to your daily routine, but the benefits are truly life-changing. So, if you're looking to make a positive impact on your health and well-being, I highly recommend giving it a try. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you've had any experiences with avocados, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy lifestyle tips, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks for staying healthy and happy.